learned this from an Italian friend. Everyone's gonna make lasagna hot dogs. Let's start by cutting a sausage, making one cut on top but not through the bottom. After that, we'll take a lasagna sheet and wrap it around the sausage like this. Repeat this process with as many as you like. Next, we'll put them in a pan with hot water and cook for about 10 minutes. Once the lasagna is cooked, let's take them out. Now we'll move them to a cutting board. On each lasagna slice, we'll spread some tomato sauce with a spoon and add mozzarella on top. After that, just roll it up and repeat with the other sausages. Transfer everything to a baking dish. On top, we'll add a packet of tomato sauce. Add a 200g box of cream or use cream cheese if you prefer. Now let's sprinkle some mozzarella on top. Use as much as you like. All done. Bake at 200 degrees until the cheese melts. Check it out, folks. This recipe is amazing. Now just slice and enjoy. I hope you liked it. That was another recipe from Poor Man's Kitchen. Big hugs to you all. See you next time, and thanks.